Hi, I'm Amstan, and welcome to this new exciting tutorial about the cinematic 3D glass logo reveal. So here you have this nice logo reveal animation, and you can customize almost everything. You can change the background texture, choose one of the included, or import your own texture. You can change the front texture that will be blown away in this nice animation. And you can of course change the look. You see the other example, the color change, the look change. And also I have this other reveal animation of leaves animation that are blown away. That is a plus for you if you want to use it. So we'll start by opening the project. And as usual, we will start by placing our logo. When you open the project, it will open in the customization composition, and this composition we will work with it a lot. So first, we'll just try to drag our logo. So once you import your logo here, just select it and drag it. Hide the example that I gave you and just resize your logo. Be careful, do not cross this blue rectangle, and at any time you can open the instruction layer, make it visible and read it if you are lost. Okay, so what's happening? So once we have our logo, you can already see the result in the customization composition. Sorry, I'm a little bit tired. And here, let's for now try to see what says in this composition. So you have this layer that says control me. So click on it, select it, and go to the effect control. And here you have different sliders that will help you to set the color look of your animation. What I suggest you first is to put all these layers to 0 and then begin your customization. So here you have the contrast. You can add a little bit contrast to make it more punchy. The second one, the vignette one, is for darken the edges and make us focus on the logo. And here you have one preset cinematic that I made for you if you want to use it, and if you don't, you can make your own one with this cold, using these three sliders, the cold, the hot, and the green field. So maybe you can choose, you have infinite possibility to mix, and you create your own mix of look. Maybe we'll just try this one, a little bit green and blue. Okay, and we have to set our strap line. So what we can do, just select the strap line, and yeah, in the effect control we have other sliders that will help us to set quickly our strap line. And you have the color. You can just pick a color from your logo, so it will have the same feel that of the logo. You can change the horizontal position here. Maybe you want it in the center, and you can change the vertical position. Maybe you want it a little bit low, and of course the scale, smaller or bigger. Okay, so maybe it's too big for now, like this, maybe a little bit up, and maybe more white. Okay, once we set our strap line, we have to choose the texture, the front texture that will be at the beginning of the animation. For now it's this leaf texture, and the back texture that will be just behind our logo. So maybe we want to have something more natural behind our logo. So go to this one, change back texture, open the composition, and here we see that we have the metal one. Just hide it. Try this one, the wall, or try this one, this nice tree texture. We can go back to the customization to see the result, and we see that it's changed. It's nice and organic. Maybe you want to use the wall texture. It depends of what you want to make people feel with this animation. So you can drag your own texture here and use it, but for now maybe we'll use this one. Go back to the customization. So here we have now this nice leaves animation that will blow away and make us see the logo. But maybe you want something else. So if you do not want to use these leaves, so you can just hide this layer and make visible the wall blown layer, and you will see that the front texture has changed. Now we have a wall that, as in the video preview, you can see the wall blown away animation. What I've tried to do here is to create an animation inside After Effects instead of using a 3D program, to be able to change this front texture. So to change the front texture, you have just to go to change front texture, composition, open it, and choose one of the default included texture, or drag your own texture. Suppose we want to use this second one, go back to the customization, and here it is. We see the result. This nice tree that will blow away to reveal a logo over a tree. Maybe it's not so realistic, so maybe you have to change the background texture, go back to metal one, and see the result. Okay, so you see that you have so many possibilities. It's infinite one. You have to change. You can change the front texture, the back texture. If you do not want, if you want to use the special leaves texture, front texture, you have just to change, because it uses another way of work. Here we have real leaves that I shot over a green screen. And if you want to use the 3D shutter blown away wall, you have to make this one visible. Okay, so what we can, okay, edit our strapline. I forgot it. So open the strapline composition and just go to the middle and double click and retype whatever you want. Just retype my new strapline, and go again to the customization, and we have to make one of these visible, and we see the new strapline updated. Maybe you want to change the position again, so select strapline, go to effect control, and change the horizontal position, maybe a little bit, maybe you want it over the logo. So, and you see, you just have to change the position, but it will be automatically updated with because it's linked to the it's have the same movement that the logo in the original composition. So it's linked to the null object that it's hide it for now. So I'll hide it again, so it will not disturb you. And again, you have an instruction layer here. You can make it visible and read it if you are lost. What else? So I think that's it. Okay, for the music, just double click on the music composition and drag your audio file here. Of course, hide this instruction layer, and it will be automatically added here because it's already here, and just hide it with the other layer that I used for the animation. But I let for you only the layer that you will use, the control sliders layer, the strapline layer, and to choose between wall, textured wall, or leaves animation. Finally, you can just open one of these preset render and render it. So you just, if you do not know how to render, so just open the composition you want and go to composition, add to render queue, and here you can set the output setting, FLV, AV, or maybe move, and here you can set the format, and don't forget to check the audio output to have the audio in the video exported. And here you have to name your file and set the destination. Okay, that's it. So thank you for watching, and please, if you like it, rate it.
Please rate it. Help me to make it.